Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to apply AI filters for photos in Remini. So let's get started with the video. So basically, once you're on the home page, here you will get an option of AI filters at the bottom right corner. If you do not see the option here, you can click on all tools, and here under AI generation, you will get the option of AI filter. Once you click on that, you can choose the particular photo over here. For example, right now I'm choosing this picture. Then click on continue. It will take few seconds for it to get uploaded. So once it got uploaded, you can see the before and after image. You can select the particular image from here. For example, you want to choose any one of the AI variations that are available in Remini. Wait for few seconds. If you want to select any other image, you can click on this new photo as well, and then a pop-up will come. If you want to change image, you can click on yes, change image. It will again take you to the gallery, and from here you can change the particular image and then click on continue. So as here you can see the before and after image, the transition that AI have been made here. You can choose any of the option variations are available here, and according to that you can create your AI filters. So once you have completed the picture, what you need to do is click on the download icon at the upper right corner. Once you will click on that, you will see the AI filter has been generated, the whole image. Post that you can download it or you can share it around various medias that you can see here. So this is how you can apply the AI filters for images in Remini. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.